day ahead of us today. We just finished an amazing meeting with our entire team. We have fabrication going on, setting up the project for today, for tomorrow, and for the entire month. And also, we just had an amazing meeting on how we're setting up our iTints Academy programs. Whether you're looking for just information, you're looking to become a beginner certified tech, even an advanced tech, hopefully one day an elite dealer, and probably even an exclusive dealer. Right now our programs are being solidified so that way anyone, anywhere in the world can start their own smartphone business with iTints technologies.
Behind every project, there's preparation. Behind every installation, there's dedication. Behind every future, there's a beginning. Welcome to where tomorrow is built. Step